Weekly list item number 1. Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the present petitioner has been.
The offense, one of the offenses 376 AB.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That means notice has to go.
Your Lordship, we had informed the counsel of the informant. He's already present over here in the court. We had informed the counsel on the informant, Your Lordship.
I am on behalf of Mr. S.
We had informed the informant.
By tomorrow. Since one of the offenses under section 376 AB of the Indian Penal Code, extra copy of the bail application is of usual order. Yes. Case diary, criminal antecedent, 164, medical exemption report.
Your Lordship, also status of the trial. Item 2.
Yes, item number 2.
66 grams of heroin.
Paso.
Item 3. May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, the offence alleged under section 318 clause 4, 319 clause 2, 336 clause 2, 336 clause 3, 338, 340 clause 2, 61 clause 3 clause 5, and 66C and 66D of the IT Act. My Lord, one person, namely Kunal Majumdar, invested a rupees of 6 crore for getting a higher interest or multiple benefit from the invested in a WhatsApp group, and this person is one of the member of this WhatsApp group. The allegation against this present petitioner, my lord.
Have you received the case diary?
No, my lord.
Case diary, criminal antecedent.
Item 3. Item 4.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, the case is under section 376.
3 is there, 376 3.
My lord.
So notice has to. Legal exemption
Oblige.
report.
Item 6.
Right, legal. Offense my lord, 108 of BNS Act, my lord. What is that? 108. No, that IPC. IPC
306.
306, my lord. Cause of death, suicidal, my lord. Just a minute. Yes. My lord. The decision and the petitioner, they love to each other. Last to 1 year back, my lord. I have annexed, my lord, the statement of the younger the sister of the deceased. Annex for 2, my lord, page, my lord. Tell see page 15, my lord. Supati gone. The time of occurrence, the petitioner was outside of the state. Overnight, phone kotha କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତାରେ କ'ଣ ତାଙ୍କର ହଟ୍ ଏକ୍ସଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଲା, ତାପରେ ସେ କମିଟେଡ୍ ସୁଇସାଇଡ୍ ଇନ୍ ଏ ହଟ୍ ମାଇଲର।
କ'ଣ ପଢିଲେ?
ମାଇଲର ନେକ୍ସଟ 15 ମାଇଲର ସୁପତି ଗଣ୍ଡ ମୋର ଦେବା ବୟାନ ଏକ ଯେ ମୋର ଭଉଣୀ ସୁମିତ୍ରା ଗଣ୍ଡ ମୋ ଠାରୁ ବଡ଼। ମୋର ବଡ଼ ଭଉଣୀ ସୁମିତ୍ରା ଗଣ୍ଡ ଅଧିକାଂଶ ସମୟରେ ମୋବାଇଲ ଫୋନରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହୁଏ। ତା ମୋବାଇଲ ନମ୍ବର ସଚାଂଶ ସୋନପୁର ଆଦିବାସୀ ଗ୍ରାମର କାନ୍ତାଗଣ୍ଡା ତା ସାଙ୍ଗର କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହୁଏ। ପରସ୍ପରକୁ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ। ଆଜିକୁ 1 ବର୍ଷ ହେବ ପରସ୍ପରକୁ ଭଲ ପାଉଛନ୍ତି। ସେ ପୁଅ କଥା ଦେଇଛି ବିବାହ କରି ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ରୂପେ ରଖିବ। ଇତିମଧ୍ୟରେ ସେ ପୁଅ ବାହାର ଜାଗାକୁ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଉଭୟଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଫୋନରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଚାଲିଥିଲା। ଗତ 26/10/2024 ସକାଳ ବେଳେ ଆମ ଗାଁର ଶିବଗଣ୍ଡ ବିଲକୁ ମୁଁ ଓ ମୋର ମା ଶୁକୁଲି ଗଣ୍ଡ ମକା ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା ଯାଇ ଅପରାହ୍ନ ସମୟ ପ୍ରାୟ 4ଟା ବେଳେ ଘରକୁ ଫେରିଲୁ। ମୋର ଭାଇ ସୁବଳ ଗଣ୍ଡ ଓ ନାନୀ ସୁମିତ୍ରା ଗଣ୍ଡ ଘରେ ଥିଲେ। ଘରକୁ ଫେରିବା ପରେ ରାତିରେ ସପରିବାର ରୋଷେଇ କରି ଖାଇ ପିଇ ନିଜ ରୁମକୁ ଯାଇ ଶୋଇପଡ଼ିଲୁ। ମୋ ନାନୀ ସୁମିତ୍ରା ଗଣ୍ଡ ରାତିରେ ଉଠି ବାହାରେ ଫୋନରେ ଖୁବ୍ ଜୋରରେ ତ କାନ୍ତାଗଣ୍ଡ ସହ ପାଟିତୁଣ୍ଡ ହେଉଥିବାର ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିଛି। ତ ରାତିରେ ନାନୀ ଘରକୁ ଫେରି ନଥିଲା। ମୁଁ ତା 27/10/2024 ଦିନ କାକାର ଝିଅ ମୀନା ଗଣ୍ଡ ତାର ମୋବାଇଲ ଫୋନରେ ଆଣି ଫଟୋ ଦେଖେଇବାରେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲି ଯେ ମୋ ନାନୀ ଆତ୍ମହତ୍ୟା କରିଛି। ମୁଁ ଏବଂ ଆମ ପରିବାର ଲୋକ ସୋନପୁର ଆଦିବାସୀ ଗ୍ରାମକୁ ଯାଇ ଦେଖିଲୁ ଯେ ସୁଭାଷ ଗଣ୍ଡ ମକା ବିଲରେ ଥିବା ଗୋଟିଏ ମାଟି ଘରେ ସୁମିତ୍ରା ଗଣ୍ଡ ଆତ୍ମହତ୍ୟା କରିଛି। ତେଣୁ ମୋ ନାନୀ ଆତ୍ମହତ୍ୟା କରିଥିବା କଥା ମୋତେ ସନ୍ଦେହ ଲାଗୁଛି ଏଇ ଘଟଣା ପାଇଁ। ତ କାନ୍ତାଗଣ୍ଡ ହିଁ ଦାୟୀ। एउटा पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट माइलर काइंडली सी सर्टिफाइड कॉपी माइलर।
Cause of death is due
Likely
to
suicide
combined
only.
effect of asphyxia and venous congestion as a result of anti-motor hanging, which is suicidal in nature.
लास्ट पेज
केते बयस झील को केते?
झील को माइलर तार सान भौणी कहूँ 20 मन 23 खंडे हेतिबो।
केबुट रहलानी?
माइलर कस्टडी माइलर 7/11/2024।
Or the Land Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the state. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 7/11/2024. And the statements of the cases, particularly the younger sister of the deceased, namely Supati Gond, which is annexed to the bail application as Annexure 2 series, would indicate that the deceased was major at the time of occurrence, and she was having a love affair with the petitioner, and they used to talk with each other over phone. And on 27/10/2024, the deceased committed suicide, and the cause of death, as per post-mortem report, was due to combined effect of asphyxia and venous congestion as a result of antemortem hanging, which is suicidal in nature. It further submits that except the ligature mark around the neck, no other injuries were noticed on the person of the deceased. He filed the certified copy of the post-mortem report, which is taken on record. He further submits that there are no clinching material on record, that the deceased committed suicide on account of abatement committed by the petitioner, and there is no such proximate link between the conduct of the petitioner and the death of the deceased. And investigation has made substantial progress. The petitioner is a local man, and therefore there is no chance of being away from justice. And as such, bail application may be favorably considered, and counsel for the state oppose the prayer for bail and place the statements of the witnesses which are annexed to the bail application as annexed to series to also the FIR. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, the nature of accusation, the surrounding circumstances under which the deceased committed suicide, the post-mortem report finding, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, and inclined to release the petitioner and give allowed.
Item 7.
uh,
Great loss to
a
heart.
great loss to the heart of her
So
parent.
have you
In
got
that
the case diary?
No, my lord.
The criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 10.
Another offense under section 281, 1152, 103, and 355 BNS, my lord. Well, allegation, my lord. The
What are
informants
these
are
offenses and the
103, my lord.
no about the IPC offenses 281.
103 the murderers.
302.
302.
302.
281.
281 to 279 IPC rash driving data negligence.
Then 115
Voluntary causing hurt. So 23.
and 103.
Murder, my lord. Allegation, my lord. Informant husband was returning from Fuladchog by riding one Honda sign motorcycle during registration so and so in the way near Contabunia Chowk. An accident was taken place with another
Case of murder.
Yes.
According to the prosecution.
Yes.
So have you received the case
No,
diary?
no, ma'am.
Get the case diary and criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 11.
May I please, your lordship? Alleged offense under section 303 clause 2 million. Old penal code is 379 million. Allegation is that one auto was kept near to the boundary of collector office and two persons have been apprehended. They disclose the name of the present petitioner that the present petitioner has instigated those apprehended accused persons to carry the auto from one place to another place, and in lieu of that he will get 500 rupees.
What is the subject matter of theft?
So auto was theft. Thereafter they have cutting the autos and sold to the one shop. To that effect, they got 30,000 rupees from that shop, and that money has already been recovered.
When you are in custody,
Lord. 7/11/24.
yes, heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Considering the submission led by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioners are in judicial custody since 7/11/2024. And investigation has made substantial progress. Offenses triable by magistrate. And after hearing the learned counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 12.
May I appeal, Lordship? My lord, I am BC from Ramkala, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, case under section 72, 70 to subsection 2 of BNS and 6 of POCSO.
70.
That is 370.
126.2, 1152, 118.1, 109, and
कौन
3 close.
IPC
It is 341, 323, 326, 307,
what 126
341
wrongful restraint.
wrongful restraint.
126 का wrongful restraint
Wrongful
Ma'am.
restraint.
बाकी 115
Voluntarily causing hurt.
voluntarily causing hurt तापरे 118 कौन
Voluntarily causing hurt with
voluntarily causing
hazardous weapon.
right
grievous hurt.
weapon अच्छा तापरे आ गोटे रहला 109
That is 307.
109 था 307
Ma'am.
ना ना 109 हाँ ठीक है तापरे रहला 3 bracket
That
5
is 34.
34
Ma'am.
अच्छा तो 307 109 is the main offense.
Yes.
So who is injured in this case?
As per
As per the first information report,
that
who's the
is
marching kahaku?
brother of the informant.
FIR पढ़न्तु
Ma'am. କୀର୍ତ୍ତନ ପଡିଆ ଗଣେଶ ପୂଜା ଭସାଣି ପ୍ରସେସନ ଚାଲିଥିବା ବେଳେ ନାଲି ବୁଲେଟ ଓ ପଲସର ଗାଡିରେ ଆସି ଆକାଶ, କୁନ୍ଦନ ଓ ଅଜୁ ନାମକ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି କାଳିକାପୁରର ବାସିନ୍ଦା। ସେମାନେ ହାତରେ ଲୁହା ରଡ୍, ଖଣ୍ଡା ଓ ଭୁଜାଲି ଧରି ଆସି ପ୍ରସେସନରେ ଆମ୍ଭ ଭାଇ ଚେତନମୁଖୀ ଓ ଆମ୍ଭର ସାନ ଭାଇ ଅଜୁମୁଖୀଙ୍କୁ ହଠାତ୍ ଆସି ଭୁଜାଲି ଓ ଖଣ୍ଡାରେ ଆକ୍ରମଣ କଲେ।
ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି ଦି ଜଣ ଇଞ୍ଜୁର୍ଡ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛନ୍ତି। ଜଣେ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଚୈତନ୍ୟ
ଚୈତନମୁଖୀ
ମୁଖୀ ନୁହେଁ କି? ଆରଟା କିଏ ତା ନା?
ଅଜୁମୁଖୀ।
ଅଜୁମୁଖୀ। ଆଚ୍ଛା। How many petitioners are there in this bail application?
One.
Nakas.
Akash.
Weapon of offense ହେଲା sword and bhujali.
My lord.
Okay. So what is the injury report? Have you annexed?
Yes, your lordship. That is
Ajura simple injury.
Annexed.
And
Yes.
what about Chaitanya?
That is next page, your lordship.
Chaitanya also simple.
Thank
Debut royalty
1910 2024.
are the Land and Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the state. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 1910-2024, and there are two injured in this case, namely Chaitanya Mukhi and Aju Mukhi, and they have sustained simple injuries which should be evident from the medical examination report of the two injured, which are annexed to the bail application as annexure 3 series. And after hearing the Land and Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
26 also same, your lord. 26 item.
26.
My lord.
Yes, yes.
Another Kundan.
Three case room.
Again. Kundan Mukhi.
26.
ସେଠି ଅଛି ଆକାଶ, କୁନ୍ଦନ ଓ ଅଜୁ ତିନି ଜଣ ଆସିକି
ସେ period of detention same.
ନାଇଁ 22 ନା 24
କାହାର ଆର
କୁନ୍ଦନର 26 ରେ
26 ରେ ଖାଲି detention period ଟା change ହବ କେତେ କୁନ୍ଦନ
22 9 24
22 9 24 ଆଉ ବାକି ସବୁ ସମାନ item number 26 ହେଲା connected to light allowed
oblige
Item 14.
item number 14 କଣ offense କଣ
ପାଶ ଭଲ ସେ
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଅଛି କାଗଜ ପତ୍ର ଅଛି ନା 500
2cc case number offense under the Railway Act. The rejection says there are criminal antecedents. So, and case diary has also not come. 2cc case pending before the Court of London SDGM. There are 7.
You come to page number paragraph number 6.1.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it.
of the rejection, my lords?
Yes.
Yes, my lords. Examine the material available, including the forwarding letter. The accused petitioner is allegedly involved in commission of the offence under Section 3A RP UP Act, under Section 153, 174 C, 147, 145 C of the Railway Act. Alleged act of the accused petitioner caused loss to the railway department, so also engaged safety of the railway passenger. Other co-accused persons are yet to be apprehended, as appears from the forwarding report. Besides the present case, there are 7 numbers of criminal
cases which you can
that
case diary criminal antecedent after Xmas holidays is next.
Item 15.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, the alleged offence file 64-1, 296, 64-1.
Before
BNS. Yes, lordship.
89.
89. Miscarriage, lordship.
89 miscarriage.
296, 351 clause 2, 351 clause 3.
296 টা কম
294.
294
Option act, lordship.
তারপরে
351,
351 টা কম
506, lordship.
ସେ ଅଛି case diary
today only it has come, as I have not verified.
Case diary ଅଛି ପରା?
Yes.
Case diary is available,
Lakshmi,
lordship.
can you pass over? I can verify that.
Lordship, the
56-54.
victim, lordship, married lady.
victim statement is annexure 2.
Yes, lordship. Annexure 2, lordship.
It is 30 years.
Yes, lordship.
ଏଗୁଡାକ ବନ୍ଦ କରିକି ଲାଇଭ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିମିଂ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ପଢିଲେ
Item 16.
May it please, my lord. What the major offences are under section 109 of BNS Act, 121(1), 109. 109, it is similar to 307 of scheduled, IPC. 121(1) and 132, that is 353.
126 कौन
120,
341 minutes.
126, 341,
बाकी 115
323,
और
317 and 411,
296
294.
296 is 294,
351
506,
out of 132
132 is assaulting public servant to deter from their duty. The 353,
so major offense is 307
307 and
120 major offense कौन
121 1
109, that is 307.
307 है 109 of BNS Act.
10 कौन किए इंज्योर्ड किए
इंज्योर्ड से खाली टंटी चिपिया मारिया पे चेष्टा करथले से एसआई एमन they had the police team had conducted raid to apprehend this person because he was required in connection with another case. So all the family members conjointly assaulted the police. One of them tried to press the neck of the SI, another lady who happens to be the sister of the accused petitioner, tried to press the neck of one Rita Behra who happens to be the SI. So that's the allegation of
what are
307.
the injury sustained
Injuries, as per the FIR, there is no injury as such. It is only that pressing of the neck. Police ଦେଇଛି FIR ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ.
The rejection order says there are 39 criminal cases.
କାହାର
Well, as the petitioner.
petitioner
Page
ତ
16, if your lordship may kindly see.
16
Well, that's my place. Well,
criminal antecedents ଅଛି 39 ନୁହେଁ, it is about 20 something.
in the rejection order it is mentioned that the petitioner has got 39 criminal antecedents. The land counsel for this you have got the case diary
no, madam.
the land counsel for the state submit that he has not received the case diary let him obtain the case diary and details of the criminal antecedent land counsel for the petitioner shall file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases matter be listed after entering Xmas holidays yes
May I bring to the notice of this honorable court, my lord, some co-accused bail application has been dealt with by Honorable Justice Aditya Mahapatra. So only Aye.
Item 17.
May I please your lordship, my lord. Petitioner is custody since 28/7/24, my lord. Informant and petitioner are the one villager, my lord, and known to each other.
कौन offense would
I have
have
given the in paragraph 2, I have the comparative table I have given, my lord. 457, 380, 511, 34, my lord. I was wondering, paragraph 2, my lord.
कौन allegation कौन अपन के नाम
ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ boundary ପଛପଟେ ବୁଲୁଥିଲି in the night and nothing has been taken. That allegation is that all are of the same village. Other three are religion bail, my lord. Only my bail is cancelled, my lord.
backside door broke down पर
Yes.
लिखाई थी
Aye. 511 there, my lord.
Three criminal antecedents are there.
केबे तो लेनी
28/7, my lord. Charge sheet submitted.
28 है
Aye, 28/7.
are the land and counsel for the petitioner land counsel for the state considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 28/7/2024 and offences are traveled by magistrate and co-accused persons have been released on bail.
Co-accused so far there is no antecedent, but here the petitioner.
Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the state that there are three criminal
Two,
antecedents.
my lord. Written.
Two. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Yes.
Oblige.
Item 18.
Petitioner is 67 years old man. The offences are triable by magistrate. 409, 468, 471. Allegation, my lord, page 13. In the year 2009-8, my lord, he was working as, my lord, secretary of Patneswari WSC Limited, my lord. Page 13 middle para. No, in the audit report of the said society for the year 2007-8 revealed an amount of rupees 1,48,000 was recoverable from the petitioner. 26/10/24 में
Adjutant counsel for the petition and counsel for this case, considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
26/10/2024,
and the misappropriation amount stated to be 1,38,831. Offensive trial by magistrate. After hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
1,48,000
देखा है जी 38 बोली
ना से FIR ଅଛି 48
एबने नहीं जो आपण एटा जो देइछन चार्जशीट ता
हां
देछन ना
सेथरे जो डॉक्यूमेंट देछि सेथरे कहउछन 161 स्टेटमेंट रे कहउछन 1,38
अराउंड 1,40,000 पर
Yes, ma'am.
yes next
Item 19.
Please, Lord. My lord, here present petitioner arrested, my lord, on 18/8/2024 for the commission of the offences under section, my lord, 126 surplus 2, that is 341 surplus 2, 341, my lord. Tapare 117 surplus 2, that is my lord 325, and my lord 351 surplus 3, that is 506, and 296, that is 294, and 109, that is 307.
307
And here, my lord, informant is the injured, and my lord, informant has filed this FIR, and injury is simple in nature, and charge sheet has already been
ମୁଣ୍ଡ ପଛପଟେ ଏକ ଶକ୍ତ ପାହାର ଦେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଫାଟି ପ୍ରଚୁର ରକ୍ତସ୍ରାବ ହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମୋର କଣ injury କଣ
injury simple charge sheet file, but another problem is there. I have 31 criminal antecedent.
land counsel for the state अच्छी case diary अच्छी
ଆଜ୍ଞା
land counsel for the state has pointed out from the rejection order that there are as many as 31 criminal antecedents. Land counsel for the petitioner seeks some time to obtain instruction in respect of such criminal antecedent and file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases. Matter be listed after ensuing Xmas holiday. Yes.
My lord, another prayer, my lord, that in the meantime, my lord, kindly call for a health report that as per my instruction, he is mentally disorder.
The Land counsel for the petitioner made a submission that the petitioner is mentally not sound and he needed special treatment. Let a report be called for from the concerned jail superintendent about the health condition of the petitioner. Yes.
Obliged, Lord.
Free copy of the order be handed over to the land counsel. Who the jail rachi koi diyon ta?
Kendrapada jail raj.
Item 20.
may please your lordship alleged offense under section 52A excise act of and in custody since 25/11/2024
कौन बाहरला
1525 liter liquor, your lordship.
habitual offender ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
yes
ଆଉ କେଟା କେସ୍ ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ ଆସିନି ସିଡି ଆସି
এই nature of case নাই but remanded in this case, my lord. এই connected ଆଉ
କାରଣ after Xmas holiday CA
Item 21.
In this case, my lord, FIR was registered, my lord, against the unknown person for the offense under section 326 of the 326F of BNS, my lord. It is similar to 435, and subsequently on the basis of statement of the 326F, my lord, FIR was lodged with 326F, and while subsequently
rejection order ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି 126
my lord, subsequently police added the 326 126(2) and 109
wrongful confinement.
yes, my lord.
Major offense is my lord 326G is the 436 and 109 is 307. But my lord, there is no injury.
109.
Yes, my lord. 109 BNS. And my lord,
So what is the allegation against you? What you have done?
ବୋମା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଏଫଆଇଆର କଲା ଯେ କୌଣସି ଦୁର୍ବୃତ୍ତ ମାଇଲ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ସି ପେଜ 11 ମାଇଲ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଅଫ ଦ ଓଡିଆ ରିଟର୍ନ କପି ମାଇଲ ରାତ୍ର 12 ଘଣ୍ଟା ହେବ ମୋର ଏକ୍ସୟୁଭି ମହିନ୍ଦ୍ରାକୁ କୌଣସି ଦୁର୍ବୃତ୍ତ ନିଆଁ ଲଗାଇ ଉକ୍ତ ସ୍ଥାନରୁ କେଉଁଆଡେ ଦୁର୍ବୃତ୍ତ ଜଣ ଚାଲିଯିବାରୁ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଯିବା ଆସିବା ଲୋକ ମତେ ଫୋନ କରି ଜଣାଇଲେ ତୁ ଶୋଇଥାରେ ପୁଅ ତୋ ଗାଡି ଏଠାରେ ଜଳି ପୋଡି ପାଉଁଶ ହୋଇଗଲାଣି। ଏହା ଶୁଣି ମୁଁ ଘରୁ
ଗାଡି ପୋଡିଦେଲେ
and subsequently developed they came to his house and thrown the bomb my lord, but there is no injury. And he was arrested my lord
throwing bombs to their residential houses.
FIR was registered 28 October 2024, but he was arrested my lord 4th November 2024 my lord on the basis of statement of the disclosure statement and my lord developed statement of the informant and other.
Your name is not there.
No my lord. Yes my lord. FIR was not named. FIR was registered against the unknown person my lord.
FIR against unknown person.
Yes.
So how your name came into picture?
CCTV footage is there and found that they were trying to throwing bomb to the house and this son of the S.K.Sahoo and set fire their vehicles and other things.
Or the land and counsel for the petitioner, land counsel for the state, land counsel for the petitioner submits that
criminal antecedent be required
in judicial custody since Kebetu.
4 November 2024 my lord.
4th November 2024.
Yes my lord.
Rejection order indicates that you have got criminal antecedent because you are the petitioner number 3.
Yes,
Chandan Kumar Sethi.
Yeah.
So how many cases?
Not
are
2
there?
cases sir.
Yes.
He has 2 criminal accident my lord.
What type of cases?
One case is my lord below commercial quantity brown sugar and other case was the
man of Tigo Pondi says
506323 cases.
Custody since Kebetu कहले?
4 November 2024.
4th November 2024. And after going through the statements of the witnesses, nature of accusation, and hearing the land and counsel for the state to submit that the petitioner has got criminal antecedent, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the IAC of the Pondi police station once in every week on Sunday in between 10 to 4 till conclusion of investigations, and he shall not indulge in any criminal activities, violation of any terms and conditions, shall entail cancellation of bail. Yes, allowed.
Item 22.
Case under section 302 my lord. In this case my lord, the
अच्छी case
no,
है,
no,
नहीं?
no.
Oh, yes, they are to criminal antecedent.
Item 23.
Please, Lord. 20B, 2C, 27A, and 29 of NDPS Act, my lord. Constitution 17/5/2024 and
Commercial quantity.
my lord.
Okay.
And can case day?
No.
CD criminal antecedent.
23 ଆଉ 29 ସମାନ 23 and 29 my lord.
ଆଉ ଆ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
29
9 ଟା ହଉଛି ସମାନ, ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟ CDCA ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା। along with ଲେଖିଦେବେ, this should come along with 29 ହେଲା।
Item 24.
Please. On behalf of Mr. Sunil Pandavana, I may allow. The case is under section 420 of the Indian Penal Code. and he was cheating from a unknown person, that is rupees
318 টা হচ্ছে 420
sorry 318
no IPC
318 clause 4, that is
318 টা corresponding IPC টা কেতে
421 418 error
318 bracket লেখা আছে 4 304 হচ্ছে whoever cheats once upon
cheating error
cheating
cheating
କଣ କଲେ
6000 rupees ତା ATM ରୁ phone pay ରେ ନେଇକି ATM ରୁ withdraw କରିକି ଦେଇଦେବି ବୋଲଥିଲା ଆଉ ଦେଇନେଇଛି
amount ହେଲା 6000
6000 rupees
are the land and council for the petition land council
There are two criminal antecedents.
considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 21/10/2024 offense is triable by magistrate and after hearing the land council for the state who submitted that the petitioner has gone through criminal antecedent, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Obligers.
Item 25.
My lord, we are appearing for information. We are appearing for information.
On phone.
May I please your lordship. My lord, offense under section 319(2) corresponding to 419, my lord. 318(4) is corresponding to 418, my lord.
338 one.
My lord, 319, my lord.
338.
330 is corresponding to 467, forgery of valuable security.
340.
340, my lord, corresponding to 471, false document.
351.
351 corresponding to 506.
506.
My
lord.
My lord, allegation is that the petitioner initially approached the informant to purchase a land, my lord. The informant has no knowledge regarding that the said purchased land was belong to the scheduled caste person. When the informant said that he was at that time the informant gave 1 lakh rupees to the petitioner as advance, my lord. When the informant came to know that that suit land is belongs to a scheduled caste person, then she denied to purchase it. But the petitioner said to the informant to arrange a 2 scheduled caste person. So accordingly, the informant arranged scheduled caste person. And my lord, petitioner 22 lakhs. No, 22 lakhs was given to the one, my lord. If your lordships kindly see, Vasudev Jena has taken the 22 lakhs, but the petitioner has taken 1 lakh rupees as an advance. If your lordships kindly see the FIR, my lord, I am placing, my lord. That is page 12, my lord.
Statement 161 statement, my lord.
No, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆପଣ ଇନଫର୍ମାଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ପରା ତ ଆପଣ କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଏତଲାରେ ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି କାହାକୁ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପିଟିସନକୁ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବିଲ୍ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
1 lakh, my lord. My lord, ଏଥିରେ ମୁଁ ପଢୁଛି ମତେ
କଣଟା ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି
161 statement of the accused person.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିଲି ଆପଣ you are the appearing for the informant.
Yes, my
informant କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ତାକୁ ଦେଇଛି କହୁଛି
as per the FIR 1 lakh, my lord.
1 lakh
10 lakh
କୋଉ ଦେଖାନ FIR ଏତେ କଥା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଦୀପକ ଜେନାକୁ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି FIR ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ପଛପଡ଼
ବାସୁଦେବ ଜେନା ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ବାଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇ ଠିକ କଲି ତାର କହିବା ଅନୁସାରେ ତାକୁ 22 ଲକ୍ଷ ମାତ୍ର
ସେ ବାସୁଦେବ ଜେନା ଛାଣନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରଦୀପ ଜେନାକୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ
ଦୀପକ ଜେନା
ବାସୁଦେବ ଜେନାର ଦୁଇଟି
ଦୀପକ କୁମାର ଜେନା
ଫୋନ ପେ ରେ 1 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ପୁଣି ଉକ୍ତ ଫୋନ ପେ ନମ୍ବରରେ 10/2/2024 ରେ ଆଇଡି ଘୋଷଣା ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଦୁଇଟି ସେଲରେ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ନେଇଛି
କୋଉଠୁ ପାଇଲେ
admitted 10 lakh rupees.
admitted कौन है से पुलिस कौन लिखिला इट इज नॉट एडमिसिबल आपण केते देई चंदी पूरा पचाउची कोड जाई स्वप्न दुखछनी ना एटू अब एफआईआर देई चंदी 1 लाख रुपीस देई चंदी बोली एडवांस कैश लेनी बिकली तो जल्दी ताको 200 डॉलर केबे डोइलेनी
My lord, custody
27
seems
Mr.
my lord
Command
27
provides power for the informant which is taken on record, considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the offences are traveled by magistrate petitioner in judicial custody which 27/9/2024 and from the concerned is 1 lakh rupees and inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Yes.
Oh, bless me.
Item 27.
Remand case. P79. That sheet submitted and that are reflected in annexure 2 running pay 26 million. While the petitioners were in
P79 case काई reject कला अपन करो
मोर केवल 5टा क्रिमिनल antecedent similar offense अछि हजूर सेटा नेक्स्ट पेज 27 पेज रे अछि सब मोर 5टा क्रिमिनल antecedent अछि सब गुडा 379
एटा कौन केते पैसा
379 मिलर एथरे खाली रिमांड आछि केस रे सेटा 27 पेज रे अछि ऑल केसेस
रिमांड
in while I was inside the custody
रिमांड केबे हेले
एथरे रिमांड मिलर 10/9/2024 सेटा रनिंग पे 26 रे हजूर अछि
3 जण अछन
आज्ञा समस्त while they were inside the custody
एरा गोटा ग्रुप हेकिन चलै छन सर्वर
से गोटे केस रे अरेस्ट करी सब से रिमांड
27/9
yes
Learning Council for the petition of Learning Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Learning Council for the petition that the petitioners are in judicial custody since 27/9/2024. Offense is triable by magistrate and after hearing the Learning Council for the state to submit that the petitioners are criminal antecedents, I am inclined to release the petition on bail allowed.
Item 28.
Allegation of 387. Demand of rupees 10,000 through WhatsApp call by the present petitioner, my lords. And nahi khali paisa magili dhamak dei naxal nare paisa magili. This is the allegation. Your lords may kindly turn to running page, my lord 11. My lord. Cost be remanded in this case, my lord 20/9/2024. ମନରେ ଆକୁ ଛାଡିକି ଆଉ 3ଟା କେସ୍ ଅଛି
5ଟା ନା
3ଟା
page 27
87 punishment केते
previously sub 379
এটা দেখুন পেজ 29 টা
27
years
29 କିଛି ନାହିଁ 29 page 9
एटा 387 तो now only
only 387 madam
ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି
and the mobile belonging to me and I have confessed
87 ना magistrate tribal of
my lord
आउ केटा केस अछि
मनारे आउ एको छाडी 3टा लॉर्ड्स में काइंडली टर्न टू पेज नंबर 29 में
की ऑफेंस हो
सब मालकानगिरी that is 387 3084 BNS and my lords another case my lords the offense is not
12678 ତ ସତା
WhatsApp रे चो एते पैसा देयंतु नले
नक्सल ना कोई नले बंधन
डेंजरस लोक केबे रोजन
remanded in on 20/9/2024 madam charges submit
petition council for the state considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 29/2024. Offense is triable by magistrate and after hearing the land council for the state submit that the petitioner has got number of criminal antecedents. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before who thana apon karo
Lakshmi Puti. No, no, my lord. So far the resident is concerned, my lords. I am belonging to my lords, Khurda, my lord.
Khurda police station once in a week on every Sunday between 10 to 12. Shall not indulge in any criminal activities allowed. Yes.
Item 30.
Item 30 and 34 man
arising out of same affair.
On offense no.
But three, as per the old IPC 399/402. While they are moving in a swift car,
ବସିଥିଲେ ନା ପରେ ମିଳିଲା ଆପଣ ଏକାଠି ବସିଥିଲେ ଯୋଉ ସେଇଠି
hello,
ଏକାଠି ଥିଲେ ସେ ସ୍ପଟ ରୁ ଧରା ପଇଲେ
spot ରୁ ଧରା ପଇଲେ ଦି ଜଣ.
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି
Custody since 2/12/2020.
ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡା ସେଇଆ ତ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯାହା
My lord, my lord. 310 ଟା ହେଲା 399 ବେଳେ.
310
My lord. 309 402.
310 ଟା ଡକାୟତି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
300 ଡକାୟତି
whoever preparation ଅଛି
ଡକାୟତି।
preparation to commit ଡକାୟତି ଅଛି ବାକି 5 ଟା ହଉଛି whoever member of the ସମାଜ ଅଚ୍ଛା 399 ଟା ଆଚ୍ଛା ତାପରେ ବାକି 111 ଟା କଣ
ମାନେ ସେ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜ କ୍ରାଇମ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଏଇଟା ଆକ୍ଟଟା ହେଇଛି. ଏଠାରେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି 5 years.
111 organized crime ତାର 111 ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଠି କଣ ଆଲିଗେସନ କଣ ଆସୁଛି
In a swift car, my lord, police intercepted them, my lord, and found some materials, including liquor and one weapon offense. Already
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି
2/12/2020.
Are the Land Council for the petition, Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petition is in judicial custody since 2/12/2024, and after going to the FIR, hearing the Land Council for the state. Adre case diary paitile? Case diary thila?
No.
I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Nature of accusation would have yes.
Item 31.
30 and 34. Same.
30 and 34.
My
Same case, ro.
My lord, exact same. Same.
Date someone.
My lord, say good din sir.
Date someone is 30/34.
Okay. P1, my lord. Initially 309 corresponding to 392 of the IPC. FIR under Annexure 1, page 9.
61.
ନା ଆଗେ ହେଲା 309 corresponding to 392. ତାପରେ ଆଲିଗେସନ ହଉଛି ସେ ସଉଦା କିଣିକି ଦୋକାନରୁ ଫେରିଲା ବେଳେ 3 ଜଣ ଲୋକ ଆସିଲେ 5,150 ଟଙ୍କା and one mobile phone taken away. मतलब page 11 are the first paragraph last page. And subsequently, my lord, case my lord turn to so far the 64 is concerned, that is 120B, and 61(2) ଟା ହଉଛି 120B of the IPC, and 310(2) ହେଲା 395, 311 ହଉଛି 397.
310(2)
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା 395
ଡକାୟତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ 311
397 ଆଉ 61(2) ଟା ହେଲା 120B. ଷ୍ଟୋଲନ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ ହେଲା 5,150 ଟଙ୍କା ଗୋଟେ ମୋବାଇଲ.
ତ ଅନନୋନ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କେମିତି ଆସିଲେ
ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟଲି ଆରେଷ୍ଟେଡ.
ଆରେଷ୍ଟେଡ ଯେ କଣ ହେଲା ଆପଣ টিଆଇ ପ୍ୟାରେଡ କଥା କଣ ହେଲା
ଟିଆଇ ପ୍ୟାରେଡ କିଛି ହେଇନି
କଣ ଆସିଲା
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା
କଣ କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ ଆଉ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିଟେଣ୍ଡ ୟେସ୍
Item 32.
May please your lordship, my lord, matter is related to Belgium matter. On the strength of Hon'Ble, my lord, the petitioner was arrested 18/11/2024. Since then, he is languishing jail custody, my lord. Case of prosecution, my lord, 13 kg of ganja was seized
ଆଗରୁ
from.
ବେଲରେ ଥିଲେ
Yes, your lordship, that is, my lord.
are the Land Council for the petition, Land Council for the state. Land Council for the petitioner submit that the petitioner was on bail, but due to non-taking of steps on the date fixed, non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued against him, by virtue of which he was taken into judicial custody on
18/11/2024.
18/11/2024. बाकी बेलजियम फॉर्मेट से भी अलाउ करते हैं. Yes.
Oblige, your lordship.
Item 33.
My lord, petitioner is in custody since 24/8/2024 2024 for the commission of the offences in a new act under section 316 subclause 2, that is 406, and 319 subclause 2, that is 419, and 64 2M, that is 376. Thereafter, my lord, 351.
376 ଅଛି
Aye.
ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି case diary?
164 is there, my lord. Here, my lord,
କଣ
case
କହୁଛନ୍ତି?
victim is a married lady having 9 years old daughter.
କିଆଣ ପାସନ କଲେ ଜଣେ
Yes, my lord.
ଏଇ ସେଟା ଇଏ କରନ୍ତି
Aye. And in the meantime, my lord, charge sheet has already been
wait
filed.
wait wait
is custody in 6/11/2024, my lord. I am not named in the FIR. Subsequently, I was arrested. Come to page 10, my lord, FIR.
କଣ offense ଗୁଡା
307 along with others. 109 is the 307.
ଅନ୍ୟ ଗୁଡାକ
341, 294, 427, 323, 324, 326.
who is the injured here?
Injured is informant is the injured.
କଣ କଲେ ତାହେଲେ?
ସିଏ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଗତ 6/8/24 ତାରିଖରେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା 6:30 ସମୟରେ ଚୈତନ୍ୟ ଆଖଡା ସେପଟେ ଗଲାବେଳେ ଆମ ଗ୍ରାମର
ଅନ୍ଧାରେ
ନନ୍ଦନ ବେହେରା
ଆକ୍ରମଣ କରି ଲେଖିଛି
ମାଇଲର
ଦୁଇ ହାତ ଓ ଦୁଇ ଗୋଡକୁ ହାଣି ଦେଲେ
ମାଇଲର
ଚକ୍ଷୁର ରକ୍ତ ବାହାରିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ଅଚେତ ହେଇଗଲି ଦି ଇଞ୍ଜୁରୀ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ
injury is grievous man. Page 13 ରେ reflect ହେଇଛି.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ the Land Council for the state submits that he has not received the case diary, so also the injury report, since it is stated by the Land Council for the petitioner that the injured sustained grievous injuries, that the Land Council for the state obtain instruction about the health condition of the injured. So also the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner after Xmas holidays. So CD medical examination report, health condition of the injured and criminal antecedent after Xmas holidays.
Hon'Ble.
Item 36.
is in custody since 10/10/2024. Alleged offenses are under section 467, 468, 471, 419, 420, and 34 IPC. Their entire prosecution case is the husband of the present petitioner had opened a Fino bank and 70 to 80
women of that area on their account. Cheating amount is 1 crore to 2 crore. That yes, is entire amount as per the FIR story is 1 crore to 2 crore. But so far as allegations are concerned, there are all entire allegations are against the husband of the petitioner. Absolutely, there is no material so far as present petition is concerned.
No, okay, not.
Get it after 6 months already. Only I mean difficulty is with the small kids, 9 months small kids there. Just a second. Yes, yes, lots of early date may fix so that. CDCA भी नहीं आसंती. X months already second week. Yes, next.
Item 37.
May I please your my lord. My lord, petition custody on 18/11/2024, my lord. Offense under section my lord. 354B, 419, 506, 507, 506, 509 for IPC and 66E, 67A, 67A.
I check.
My lord. Allegation my lord. Allegation my lord.
FIR किए दीजिए.
FIR लीजिए victim
victim निजे.
निजे.
कौन कले आपण?
कौजे अनेक फोटो वीडियो एडिटिंग करी हम नारे एक फेसबुक आईडी यूट्यूब चैनल करी सोशल मीडिया रे हम
Rejection order लिखा है जी.
my lord. Page
6 kg.
my lord.
Debit royalty
30/11/22.
30/11/2024 6 kg number lesser than commercial quantity allowed.
Item 39.
103 of the BNS and other offences. 302 corresponding 302. 302. Yes.
Double murder cases also.
अच्छी case diary.
And case diary is available. My lord.
Yes. Here direct evidence is there. My lord. Direct evidence. No. So far as present petition is concerned, there is no evidence with regard to assault to the deceased by means of a eyewitness. Informant. Yes, a charge sheet has been submitted. Informant is also one of the eyewitness that has been FIR has been filed by the eyewitness himself. If you lordship, two deceased name is मतलब जुल्लू alias संबित कुमार राउत जुल्लू alias संबित कुमार राउत संबित SMBIT संबित कुमार राउत राउत ROUT another is Rashmi Ranjan Sethi RASHMI Rashmi Ranjan Sethi. Okay. Who is the eyewitness according to you? But according to me, the informant herself is the eyewitness. Is the eyewitness. Yes, yes. So, FIR, let us see. अपना नाम कौन से पहला? If you Lordship can, yes, in the FIR itself. କଣ ଦେଖିଲୁ ମୋ ପୁଅ ଗଣେଶ ମଲ୍ଲିକ ମାଡ ମାରୁଛି ଅଛି ପରା ବିଚିତ୍ର ମଲ୍ଲିକ ଦେଖିଲୁ ଯୋଉ ପୁଅକୁ ଗଣେଶ ମଲ୍ଲିକ ମାଡି ମାରୁଛୁ ବିଚିତ୍ର ମଲ୍ଲିକ ତାକୁ ଧରିଛି ଏଇ ସମୟରେ ଏଇ ସମୟରେ ପ୍ରଦୀପ ମଲ୍ଲିକ ରାଉଳ ଗୋଟେ ଛୁରୀରେ ମୋ ପୁଅର ଛାତି ଓ ଦେହରେ ମାରିବାରୁ ସେ ବିହୋଶ ହୋଇ ତଳେ ପଡିଗଲା ତାପରେ ତାର ସାଙ୍ଗ ଜୁଲୁକୁ ଏଇ ତିନି ଜଣ ଦୌଡିକି ଗଲେ ଗଣେଶ ମଲ୍ଲିକ ବିଚିତ୍ର ମଲ୍ଲିକ ତାକୁ ଧରିଲେ ପ୍ରଦୀପ ମଲ୍ଲିକ ରାଉଳ ଧରିଥିବା ଛୁରୀରେ ଛାତିକୁ ମାରିବାରୁ ସେ ଘଟଣାସ୍ଥଳରେ ରକ୍ତ ବୁଜବୁଜ ହୋଇ ମରିଗଲା. So far as PM report is concerned, Julu Sambit has sustained one stab injury, no other injuries. Julu alias Sambit Kumar Raut has sustained one stab injury, that is 4 cm into 2 cm on the chest. And so far as Rashmi Ranjan Sethi is concerned, Rashmi Ranjan Sethi has sustained 2 cut injuries on the left arm, 1 stab injuries on the chest, and 2 contusion on the left shoulder. But here this is a case, the present petitioner was the supervisor and deceased person assaulted the present petitioner first by means of a bamboo. That is the entire prosecution story. What is the counter case record? Malad? Is there any counter case? No, no, in the charge sheet itself. In the charge sheet itself, the investigating agency has find out the entire case history. If you also kindly see page 45 of the charge sheet. Page 45 of the charge sheet. Last 14 lines. Last 14 lines. May I read, madam? Yes. The deceased Rashmi Ranjan Sethi Jitwa had opened one chicken center in the front of Kalyan Plaza and engaged his friend and Julu Sambit Kumar Raut, son of Birokishore Raut of Kendrapada, to assist him in check-in center. One Binoy Tari had purchased one flat quarter in block number 5 of the Kalyan Plaza, annex where his relatives Raja Bonus Kumar Tari was staying. He is the friend of deceased Jittu Sethi and others, and all they were making entertainment khoti in the said flat quarter. There was one car bearing such and such of Jillu Sethi who used to park his car in said block number 5 of the apartment. In the meantime, accused Ganesh Malik was engaged as present petitioner. As supervisor of Kalyan Plaza. Got this information? Malad? What is the basis of mentioning all these things? Well, all this 161 statement. 161 statement. 161 statement. My lord will find that. The eyewitnesses who have stated about the occurrence, apart from the informant, so what they have stated about this?
There are 4 eyewitnesses.
Apart from the informant.
Informant, after that, one of the grocery shopkeeper, Devendra Kumar Sahoo.
Devendra Kumar
Sahoo. And another is Guru Prasad Pradhan. Pradhan, who was sitting in the grocery dukan. He has saw. And another name is Vishwajit Sethi. He is the milkman. Khiro deba pai jautla apartment.
Vishwajit Sethi. My lord. सेमान स्टेटमेंट कौन माने यार रोल टा कौन
ये आंको सहित झगड़ा हला ये डाकिला प्रदीप की दैट्स व्हाई प्रदीप हैज स्टैबिंग या पर गणेश भाई काहाकू फोन कला से फोन करिवार कि समय पर गणेशर बड़ बापा पुओ प्रदीप भाई सेठरे पहुंचले गणेश एवं प्रदीप मिशी जितुआ को माड़ मारले एही समय प्रदीप हठात एक छुरी बाहर करी जितुआ दादार बाम हाथ में 2 थर एवं छाती थरे भूसीदेला जहाँफल जितुआ दादा प्राण विकट जाई चिकेन सेंटर पाखे पड़गला तापर जितुआ दादार सांग जुलू ताकू बंचाइवा दौड़ी आसला ताकू मध्य प्रदीप मल्लिक ओरफ राउल धरिଥିବା छुरी जुलूर छाती भूसी देवारू से सेठारू दौड़ी जाई अल्प दूर रे कल्याणी प्लाजा अनेक्स आगे पड़गला उपेन्द्र जेज प्रतिवाद कला बेले गणेश मल्लिक ताकू जोर रे धक्का मारला जहाँफल से कछाड़ी तले पड़ला यापर से घटनास्थल फेरार हो गए दैट इज द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द विश्वजीत सेठी द मिल्कमैन
जो assault ହେଇଛି actually प्रदीप मलिक
छुरी मारी
but
एमान
that
धरिଛନ୍ତି
he ultimately caused the death of the both the deceased. And what since when these persons are in custody?
11/8/2024
Huh?
11/8/2024
What happened to that man who has assaulted the deceased persons, that stab blows, Pradeep Mahanti?
he's in custody.
So what about the criminal antecedent?
No, I mean are kichh nahi. The present person has no criminal antecedent. Even if Pradeep Malik as I received instruction, he has also no criminal antecedent. Rather, the deceased person having criminal antecedents.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state? The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 11/8/2023. And though it's a case of double murder of deceased Rasmi Ranjan Satpathy and Julu alias Sambit Kumar Raut, but both the deceased died on account of stab wounds which was caused by Pradeep Mahanti.
प्रदीप मल्लिक
Pradeep Malik,
ओरफ राउल
against whom the main allegation is there. And so far as the petitioner rule is concerned, it is stated that the court hold of the deceased, the land council submits that the petitioner has got criminal antecedent. Therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. Land council for the state, on the other hand, submitted that apart from the informant, Mano Sethi, there are 3 more eyewitnesses to the occurrence, namely Devendra Kumar Sahu, Guru Prasad Pradhan, and Biswajit Sethi. And all of them have stated that it is on account of the stab wound by knife given by the co-accused Pradeep Malik, the deceased persons died. The London Council for the state also placed the post-mortem report, which indicates that the deceased Julu alias Sambit Kumar Rao sustained 1 stab wound. And so far as the deceased Rasmi Ranjan Raut is concerned, he has sustained 2 cut injuries, 1 stab wound, and 2 contusions. Considering the submission made by the London Council for the respective party, nature of accusation against the petitioner, nature of overtact attributed against the petitioner, since the main allegation is against co-accused Pradeep Malik. After going through the post-mortem report finding, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition he shall not try to tamper with the evidence and appear before the London trial court on each date when the case will be posted for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Allowed.
Item 40.
Negligible similar offense under section 137(2)(29). Of 307 under ES Act. Pursuant to class running page 10 the FIR Lordship.
307 case.
Lordship. Running page 10 Lordship.
Running page 10.
Lordship. The FIR Lordship. Well, the FIR.
Injured kiye?
Nobody sustained any injury.
How?
They have stayed the allegation but thrown.
Bomba pakile. ଦୁଇ ଗୋଟି ବୋମା କୋଉଠି ବାଜିଲା?
କ୍ୟାମ୍ପୁ ନ ବାଜିକି ବାହାରେ ପଡିଲା ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଜଣାଇବା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ହେଇକି ଯେ ମୁଁ ମୋର ସାଙ୍ଗ ଆସିଛି ପିତା ଦୁଷ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେଠି ଗ୍ରାମ କଲ୍ୟାଣପୁର ଦୁହେଁ ମିଶି ଏକ ମୋଟର ସାଇକେଲରେ କଲ୍ୟାଣପୁର ଠାରୁ ଦିଗପହଣ୍ଡି ଜିମ୍କୁ ଆସୁଥିଲେ। ଏହି ସମୟରେ ପଦ୍ମନାଭପୁର ଶନି ମନ୍ଦିର ନିକଟରେ ଏକ କାର ରୋଡ ମଝିରେ ରଖି ଅଜିତ ସେଠୀ, ଜଗା ସେଠୀ ଗ୍ରାମ ପଦ୍ମନାଭପୁର କିନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦିଗପହଣ୍ଡିଠାରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ଓ ଚନ୍ଦନ ସେଠୀ ଗ୍ରାମ ପାଟପୁର ଏମାନେ ଆମ ଉପରକୁ ଦୁଇ ଗୋଟି ବୋମା ପକାଇବାରେ ଆମକୁ ନ ବାଜି ସାଇଡ ହୋଇ ପଳାଇଲା ଓ ତଥ୍ୟ ସେଠାରୁ ଉକ୍ତ କାର ସୁଫ୍ଟ ଡିଜାୟାରରେ ପଳାଇଲା। ତେଣୁ ଆମ ଜୀବନ ପ୍ରତି ବିପଦ ଅଛି।
ଏଇ ଖଣ୍ଡିଆ ଖବର ହେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଜଣା ପଡୁନି ଖାଲି ଫୋପାଡିଲେ ବମ୍ ଫସିଗଲା ବୋଲି କହିଲି। କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି?
27/10/24।
27/10/24।
27/10/24।
27/10/24। अच्छा। Heard the Land Council for the petitioner Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioners are in judicial custody since 27/10/2024, and so it is a case. It is the case of the prosecution that two bombs. Dita two bombs were thrown at the car of the informant, but nobody has. Motorcycle. Acha, to into the motorcycle of the informant. A Swift Desire na but nobody has sustained any injury, and period of detention like it. And and further considering that the petitioners are in judicial custody in 27/10/2024. After hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioners on bail, subject to condition they shall not indulge in any criminal activities and try to tamper with the evidence, violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed.
Number 42. May please you Lord simulate on behalf of Mr. Rakesh Behra, I may be permitted in that. On behalf of Mr. Rakesh Behra, I may be permitted.
Yes.
As per direction of this Hon'Ble Court Millet, similar situated other two co-accused persons have been granted bail by the learned trial court Millet. The ratio decided by the by Millet in case of Tofan Singh versus State of Tamil Nadu Millet.
No, ଏମାନେ କଣ ସ୍ପଟରୁ ଧରା ପଡ଼ିଲେ
No, my lord. On the basis of confession, my lord. Other two similar situated, I have, my lord,
ଏଫଆଇଆର ଦେଖିଲେ
FIR, your lordship, running with 10.
କିଏ ଧରିଲେ ସ୍ପଟରୁ କିଏ ଧରା ପଡ଼ିଲେ?
Spot ରୁ ଧରା ପଡ଼ିଲେ out of 3, 2 persons.
On interrogation, अच्छा बाबूला नायक, विजय
And the present petitioner.
हाँ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ପରା।
एमाने as per direction. Other 3 case of prosecution, my lord, 3 persons were transporting ganja from Gajpati to.
What is the name of this petition?
Petitioner, my lord, Vijay Jagranga.
हाँ ଏଇଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ପରା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଏମାନେ ଧରା ପଡ଼ିଲେ ଏବଂ ସେ ନାଁ କହିଲା ବିଜୟ ଜାଗରଣ।
ହଁ।
ଆଉ ସ୍ପଟରୁ ଧରା
ଏମାନେ ଧରା ହେଇନାହାନ୍ତି, ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଧରା ହେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଏଫଆଇଆର ର ଯୋଉ ଲେଖା
ବିଜୟ ଜାଗରଣ, ବାବୁଲା ନାୟକ,
Babla Naik, I have passed on just
interrogation about the transportation of contraband ganja. Initially they hesitate to reply, but later on confessed that there is ganja inside the plastic jerry bags.
As per direction.
And as per the direction of Babula
Naik,
so and so.
The present petition lastly.
किए धरा पड़ला?
धरा पड़ले
asked identified अच्छा जीतू नायक, सानू मिसाल, ओ ये दी जन धरा
आके 527 केजी गंजा।
हाँ नहीं नहीं सी कहउछंती जे ए जो मानकर ना से माने कहिले वो एक्यूज जो मान धरा पड़ले से मानक भितर किए उड़े जाईची परा।
हाँ सर, other 2 Miller similar situated. I have just passed on Miller on the trial court Miller. Babula Naik and Jugal Naik.
बाबुला नायक देखो प्रथमटा बाबुला नायक 29/11/2024 3/12/2024 रे जुगल नायक तापर आ गोटे बेल ऑर्डर अछि दीटा दैछन ना
आगे
yes my lord
केबेट रहलेनी
Lord 21/11/2024
21/11/2024 are the London Council for the Petitioner and Council for the State. The London Council for the Petitioner submits where the petitioner is in judicial custody since 21/11/2024 and the implication of the petitioner is based on confessional statement of co-accused before police and similarly situated co-accused persons, namely Babula Naik alias Sagar Senapati and
Jugal
Naik have been directed to be released on bail by the London Trial Court. As per bail order dated 29/11/2024 and 3/12/2024 respectively, copies of which are filed and taken on record. Land Council submits that the bail applications may be favorably considered as the petitioners are petitioner is the local man and आपको किसी मिलेनी
no Miller
and no incriminating article was seized from the possession of the petitioner. Period the bail orders. Land Council for the state oppose the prayer for bail. Considering the submission nature of accusation against the petitioner, since the implication of the petitioner is based on the confessional statement of co-accused before police, further taking into account the ratio laid down in the case of Tufan Singh versus State of Tamil Nadu reported in 2021 for SCC page 1 and similarly situated released on bail. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
oblige
Item 43.
May I please, your lordship? It's a case under section 318, subsection 4 and 316, 5 of the BNS Miller.
IPC ର କଣ?
That is
420
420
and
and
409.
409 of the IPC.
420.
Petitioner is in custody since 25th 11 2024 Miller. 25/11/2024.
କଣ କଲେ?
Allegation against the petitioner is that the petitioners were working in a private company and collecting loan amounts, installment from the loanee. And it is alleged that the petitioner misappropriated an amount of rupees 3,06,371 rupees. And subsequently, the petitioner and his father deposited an amount of rupees 1,34,785 rupees. And when the rest of amount has not been deposited by the petitioner, FIR has been lodged by the informant.
Total ହେଲା 3 ଲକ୍ଷ
3,06,371.
ହଁ deposit କେତେ କଲେ?
1,34,785.
Or the Land Council for the petition, Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 21/11
25/11/2024.
25/11
आगे.
अच्छा 25/11/2024 and the misappropriation amount is rupees 3,06,371, out of which the petitioner has already deposited 1,34,785, and the offences are triable by magistrate. And after hearing the Land and Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 44.
May I please, your lordship? Offense under section 302 and 201 of IPC.
Case diary ଅଛି?
My lord.
My lord, due to some relevant documents, I am praying for the adjournment.
Land and Council for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. Land Council for the state submits that he has received the case diary adjourned. Yes, next.
Item 45.
So offenses under section 490
Item 46.
Lordship, alleged offense under section 20B, 2C and 29 of the NDPS Act, Lordship. Lordship, FIR was lodged in the year 2022, Lordship, and charge sheet has been filed, and this petitioner has been shown as absconder, Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner has earlier approached this honorable court via ABLAPL number 4991 of 2023, which was disposed of, and his anticipatory bail was rejected. Subsequently, he filed another anticipatory bail application via ABLAPL number 2758 of 2000.
Surrendered or arrested?
Surrendered, Lordship. Lordship, I surrendered on 4/12/2024. After getting the interim after getting the extension for time, I surrendered in time.
12/2024.
Yes, Lordship. 4/12/2024. Subsequently, and the honorable court granted parity. And meanwhile, one of the co-accused who stands in a similar footing has already been released on anticipatory bail.
No, it's a 20B2C.
Yes, Lordship, and 29. And nothing was seized from the conscious position of the present petitioner.
No, who were found with those?
Nobody, Lordship. It was found dumped in a nala. And as per the FIR story,
then who disclosed your name?
Pardon me?
Who disclosed your name?
Lordship, because it was dumped near my house, so I was implemented. Two persons were implicated in this present case, Lordship. One Subhas Bhokta and Arun Maji. Subsequently, Subhas Bhokta had earlier approached this honorable court, and honorable court directed to surrender and release on bail, Lordship. I have annexed a document that is at Annexure 3.
Kumar Maji. I ascertained the absconding accused person's name. You have got the case diary with you?
My lord.
Se kemti emanakor na asila kon kuti oda milila ko. You come to the FIR.
Yes, sir.
I received information from the reliable sources about so and so, huge quantity of ganja,
10 numbers of jerry bag and waiting for conveyance at roadside jungle at a short distance from their house at village library. If immediate raid is not conducted, the said contraband articles will move to different hands of mafias for huge financial gain. On receipt of this
No,
information,
after reaching at the spot at about 12:30 p.m.,
Yes,
we
Lord.
found two persons were standing
Standing.
near Nala on the roadside jungle and with 10 number of so and so. Seeing the
Seeing
police
the police,
party,
I fled away.
those persons, so they are very much close them, and I ascertained the absconding accused person's name as Arun Maji petitioner.
Yes, Lordship. And another co-accused, Subhas Bhutta.
Subhas Bhutta, yes.
And Subhas Bhutta has already been directed to surrender and released on bail. While ABLAPL number, Lordship, that is at Annexure 3, Lordship. Page 42, Lordship. Lordship, that is at para 5, Lordship. Page 43.
No, it is stated that he has been implicated on the basis of co-accused statement.
No, Your Lordship. Nobody was apprehended, Lordship.
No.
This person was
No,
apprehended.
the submission which was made there in the case of Subhas, that he was implicated on the basis of co-accused statement.
But Lordship, nobody was apprehended.
That is, but they were very much present and seeing the police party
As per the
fled
FIR,
away.
Lordship.
And as per the FIR, so they were seen at the spot. It's not a case of co-accused statement. And Tufan Singh case is not applicable here. So it was a wrong submission made before the single judge and he accepted it.
Because nothing was seized, Lordship. That's why
No,
the
nothing was seized. It does not mean that you
Yes,
should
Lordship.
be holding all those things. You are there at the spot, and when so many ganja, it is a 10 bags, huge quantity were there, and seeing the police party, you fled away, and therefore
per
it
the
was
first.
near your house.
Lordship, I prefer an adjournment, Lordship.
Out of this matter, the Land and Council for the state submit that he has received the case diary. Land Council for the petitioner, after placing the matter for some time, seeks for an adjournment. Adjourn after ensuing Xmas holiday. Yes, next.
Lordship, offense registered in BNSS Act related to IPC 323, 341, 342, 294, 506 and 395 of IPC.
Ma कौन आउथर कहले?
Sir, offense 323, 341, 342, 294, 506, 395 of IPC.
395.
Yes. As per the FIR allegation, the informant was come from Baramunda by riding a known person, and thereafter
395. Let him bring the case diary. Have you got the case diary?
No, case diary.
amount of rupees 8,222.
Oh, case diary also CD and criminal antecedent. Yes.
Sir, एटा other data को अच्छी 20 को adjournment है कि अच्छी CD और charge sheet पाई 20 January के अच्छी.
Oh, it is stated that connected matter is posted to 20th of January 2020.
20 January sir.
20 January. ना कितने नंबर?
BLPL number 12,417.
BLPL
12,417
of
2024. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 12,445
12,445 of 2024 submits that the connected bail applications, that is BLAPL number 12417 of 2024 and 12445 of 2024 are directed to be listed on 20th of January 2025.
21 January sir.
21 तारीख
20 January.
ये तो पूछे 20 January 2025 है ना? This matter along with Swans.
Item number 50, 51 and 56 is the
अच्छा,
same.
50 ମଧ୍ୟ same है ना?
50, 51 and
Yes, yes.
56.
50, 51
Again.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋଉଟା?
50, 56. Yeah, I am from 56.
56 ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ତା ଏକାଠି ଆସିବ ହଁ ନା? Yes, next.
Item 48.
October 2024, though FIR registered 36, but it appears from the FIR Miller, it's a case of Miller 435. That is Miller running page 10 annexure 1. ଆମ ଅଫିସ ପ୍ରାଙ୍ଗଣରେ ଥିବା ଜବତ ଗାଡି ଗୁଡିକରେ ନିଆଁ ଲାଗି ଯାଇଛି ତାହା ଶୁଣି ମିଲର is a FIR lodged by the excise police Burdville, though unknown FIR, and most of charge sheet also submitted Miller 436, adding Miller including 435. That is annexure 2 running page 13 Miller. And only difficulty is there Miller, I have some criminal cases in the year of 2011.
There are 10 antecedents. CD is not available.
Case diary, criminal antecedent. Rejection order indicates that the petitioner has got a number of criminal antecedents. Comprehensive affidavit to be filed, है ना?
Yes.
Yes. Comprehensive affidavit. Yes.
Item 49.
49 कौन आला? Pass over ଅଛି ରଖୁନ।
Pass over item number 2.
May I please? My lord, 21B of NDPS Act, my lord. It's a excise case and 66 grams of heroin was seized from the present petitioner and custody since 22/11/2024.
What about the criminal antecedent?
And I have no instruction regarding that.
Yes, have you got the criminal
case?
Get the instruction about the Land and Council, and you have not received also the case diary.
No, case diary.
The Land and Council for the state seeks for an adjournment for getting the case diary, also for obtaining instruction about the criminal antecedent. Place this matter after Xmas holiday. Yes.
Item 14.
କେତେ number 14? 14 ତ ହେଲା ଜଗନ ମଲ୍ଲିକ ତ ଏଟା ପୁରା ଆଡଜନ ହେଇଯାଇଛି କେସ୍ ଡାଏରୀ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହଁ କି ନଥିଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି ନନ୍ ଆପ୍ରେସ୍ କରିଦେଇକି କୁହା ହେଇଛି ଏଟା ଆଗରୁ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 52.
52
May I please your lordship? This is a case under section 302 of IPC. And I am in custody since 19/10/2022.
ଛିଡା ହେଇଯାଇଛି ତଳୁ 302 IPC. Yes. So have you received the case diary?
No, my lord. Okay.
So Land and Council case diary has not come. This is the past date and the state seeks some time to obtain the case diary. It will come after Xmas holidays.
Sir.
And what is your good name?
My name is Gopal Prasad Lal.
Mr. Gopal Prasad Lal, Land Council is present through virtual High Court. Is it from Sambalpur?
Hon'Ble, sir.
Sambalpur. Land and Council for the state submits that he has not received the case diary, so also the instruction about the criminal antecedent, and the matter may be taken up after Xmas holidays. Place this matter after Xmas holidays.
Oblige, madam.
Yes.
Item 53.
Mr. Jafrullah, 302 case. CD available.
CD available.
Where is Mr. Jafrullah? Pass over Kurumji.
Item 54.
Mr. Sahoo.
Yeah. Offense under section 20B2C of NDPS
Commercial
Act.
quantity.
Yes, my lord, 462 kg.
So
Earlier he was released on interim bail, and in the meantime he has surrendered before the court below that I have annexed at Annexure 3, my lord.
You are granted interim bail means why? Oh, acha, you
Bail for 3
custody
months,
since
my lord.
2021.
Interim
And
bail,
that interim bail was granted on 27.
that interim bail was granted on 23/8/2024.
Where is the bail order copy?
Here, my lord.
So you obtain instruction about the conduct of the petitioner while on interim bail, and I'm calling for the status report.
My
Right.
lord. My lord.
The Land and Council for the petitioner submits that last time when the petitioner approached this court for bail,
3 times he has been.
ମୁଁ last time କହୁଛି ନା ଏଟା last time in BLAPL number 5023 of 2024, as per order dated 23/8/2024, he was directed to be released on bail for a period of 3 months. And after availing the same, he surrendered at right time.
Yes, my lord, at right time.
And prior to that also,
That
he
I
was
annexed at Annexure 3.
and prior to that also he was granted bail for 2 times, interim bail for 2 times. Let the learned counsel for the state obtain instruction about the conduct of the petitioner while on interim bail, and status report be obtained in the meantime from the learned trial court, and the file be placed before the learned registered judicial. What usual order for this? Yes, after Xmas holidays.
Item 55.
Below offense under section 341, 294, 323, 324, 506 by 34. As per the direction of this honorable court, I have surrendered before the court below, and the learned court below has, after perusing the injury, has observed that
What are the offenses here?
My lord, 506 only the non-bailable offense.
Why your bail application was rejected?
Rejected, my lord, since injury was grievous and may be turned to 307 on that ground, my lord. Page 14.
The injured Suresh was referred to AIMS.
My lord, that is
Bhubaneswar.
injury report. I have the certified copy of the injury report.
The last portion of the rejection order.
Multiple lacerations on the body, including eye and head.
My lord.
And
injury, two injury. ଗୋଟେ ତାର ନାକରେ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ elbow, right elbow ରେ ହେଇଛି.
Grievous ଅଛି ନା?
Again, already discharged from the hospital, madam. I have the statement, madam. Certified copy.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state, learned counsel for the petitioner submit as per the direction of this court in ABLAPL number
12694, madam.
12694. 694.
4, madam.
12694 of 2024. The petitioner surrendered before the court below on Keverele.
My lord, surrender same day, 13/12/2024.
Surrender on 13/12/2024 and moved an application for bail. And though the offenses are triable by magistrate, but the bail application was rejected by the learned court below on the ground that the location of injuries and its nature brings it within the purview of section 307 of the Indian Penal Code. Learned counsel for the petitioner has filed the certified copy of the injury report of the injured Suresh Behera, which indicates that he has sustained 2 injuries, one on the right elbow, which has been opined to be grievous, and the other one is also grievous. It has 2 portions on the nose. The
statement.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that though the petitioner was treated in AIMS, but he has been discharged and is quite hale and hearty. He produced the statement of the injured Suresh Behera, which is taken on record. Learned counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective parties, nature of accusation against the petitioner, since the injured has already been discharged from the hospital, and the petitioner is a local man, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not try to tamper with the evidence or indulge in any criminal activities, appear before the learned trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed.
Item number 57.
Allegation regarding transportation of 1500 idle liquor from my lord in a my lord Mahindra.
274 and 275.
I am also not present at the spot. Allegation is that I am procuring for the same.
Huh?
I am procuring for the same. But one Raja was the driver, and escort is who was escort that has been mentioned. Nehru is escorting.
Who
Pavana was the my lord supplier.
Who it is?
That in the FA page 11, my lord. From fourth, fifth line, my lord, relates that Pavana of village Dotanga is illegal transporting.
Who page?
Page 11, my lord.
Who line?
My lord, from upper, my lord, sixth line, my lord.
Sixth line.
Shows that Pavana of.
No, that is his reliable information.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what happened actually? When
Then, my lord, one Raja, my lord, middle portion, Raja of Totanga, and escorting it by.
No, when he came to the spot, city person, we
Yes, ma'am.
found
We found that one maroon color Mahindra Vitra car during Swan was coming towards us, being driven by Raja of Totanga.
Raja is
Nine, ये Raja, ये उसी बुल्लू नाय.
Bullu.
Yes, madam. And escorted by Nehru of Totaga village. Seeing the police party, both the escort party and above said car tried to escape. I, along with other PS staffs, also chased them, but the driver Raja left the above said Mahindra Veterio car during so and so near Nutan Barampur Chowk managed to escape, taking the advantage of darkness, my lord, with escort party Nehru. But all he is the supplier from this my lord, and Raja is the driver, escorter my lord Nehru. Subsequently, I came to that they are my lord, I am procuring for the same. Subsequently, I have been added.
what was seized from your possession?
Nothing was seized, ma'am.
Or the Land and Council for the petitioner, Land and Council for the state. The Land and Council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
16/12/2024.
16/12.
Arrested.
16/12/2024. And the first information report would indicate that the driver of the offending vehicle was one Raja, and it was escorted by co-accused Nehru, and subsequently, basing on the confessional statement of co-accused, the petitioner was arraigned as an accused, and nothing incriminating has been seized from the possession of the petitioner, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Land Council for the state opposed the prayer for bail. Peru the FIR. You have got the case diary?
One. Yes, ma'am.
And
One
what is your submission?
One antecedent, my lord.
And he submit that there is one criminal antecedent against the petitioner, right? What
Right.
are the offense in that case? The criminal antecedent are
My lord, my lord. 272, 273 IPC read with section 52A of Odisha Excise Act.
Of similar nature. Considering the submission made by the Land and Council for the respective parties, nature of accusation against the petitioner, since no incriminating article has been seized from the possession of the petitioner, and the petitioner's implication is mainly based on confessional statement of accused, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not indulge in any criminal activity, cooperate with investigation, violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed.
Please, madam.
Please.
Item number 58.
May plus one. As the receiver of stolen property, the petitioner has been arrested. My lord, page 12, my lord, kind of a glance, paragraph 5.
317.
3 and 317.4 is corresponding to 411 of the IPC mail. And hard from both the sides, peruse the case record, which reveals that the accused was forwarded in this case on 22/11/2024 for allegedly committing the offense under section 317(3), 374 of the BN. As revealed from the case record, the allegation against the accuser, he had received the stolen article knowing the same to be stolen. My lord, in fact, he arrested in this case and remanded to 6 cases. All are of the year, my lord, 2024. Prior to that,
So you have got 6 cases.
6 cases arrest kale mate seithira receiver of stolen property taपर remand kale mor 2024 पूर्व no case was there against the petitioner. The Goldsmith and the main case is under section 310(2).
The rejection order indicate that there are as many as 6 criminal antecedents against the petition. Learned counsel for the, you have received the case diary?
6, no, madam.
No, learned counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary. Learned counsel for the petitioner shall obtain instruction about the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit to that effect after Xmas holiday. Yes.
Item 59. 59, may I please, your lordship? Lord, the petitioners are in custody since 28/11/2024, my lord, for the commission of offense under section 140 subsection 1, 309 subsection 6, my lord. Corresponding sections are 364 and 394 of IPC, my lord. And the allegation is that, my lord, the present petitioners abducted the driver of the truck and tied him in a tree and took away the truck, my lord. But in fact, my lord, the driver dashed the vehicle of the petitioners. When they asked him to pay for the damages, there was some altercations, and the petitioners asked him to call his owner, my lord. But his owner did not come and ask the driver to lodge an FIR, my lord. And everything has been seized as it is, my lord. That is at page 16, my lord. 28/11/2024, my lord.
Are the counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 28/11/2024, and taking into account the background of the case, the nature of accusation against the petitioner, and after hearing the learned counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Petitioners are 3 petitioners.
Petitioners, okay. That's
Oh,
next.
blessed.
Item number 60.
May I please? The petitioner is in custody.
Yes.
13/11/2024. Offense under section 310 of the new act, and that is 395 of the old act. Allegations against the present petition is that
Dokaiti achieve case diary achieve.
No, madam.
Your lordship may kindly see this matter is urgent to 21 of 2025.
Connected matter.
Connected matter.
Kete number?
BLAPL 12,000.
Just a minute. BLAPL
12,444/24.
444/24 केबे बची
21 12,418/24.
just a minute. 21 2024
25.
25 अच्छा देखो. The learned counsel for the state submits that he is not having the case diary. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the connected bail application, that is BLAPL number 1244 of 2024, is posted to 21/2025, in which case diary has been called for. This matter along with BLAPL number 1244 of 2024.
12,418
आउट अछि 12,418. अच्छा गोट प्रथम टा होची 12,444
444 आ गोट होची 12,418
दीटा को 21 को अछि.
आज्ञा मतलब सिमिलर मैटर इज 63 69
ई ऑर्डर पास करिवे. आइटम नंबर 63 तापरे
69
तापरे
78 and another matter was not listed.
No, not listed से कदा कोन 78 मध्ये सेम ई कर देबे हला. सेटा इज कनेक्टेड टू 60. एटा अर्जन होती है ना. अर्जन
आउट लिस्ट हेई परने नंबर पळै छी लिस्ट हेई परने ता
12,770
Land Council for the submitted that another connected matter that is BLAPL number
12,770
12,770 of 2024 has not yet been listed. List that matter also along with such matters. Yes, next.
Item number 61. May I please, my lord?
61.
My lord. 20B2B of NDPX Act, my lord. 20B2B, my lord. 8 kg ganja was seized, my lord. My lord, custody 11/12/2024.
Heard the Land and Council for the petition, Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 11/12/2024, and it is the prosecution case that 8 kg of contraband ganja has been seized from the exclusive and conscious possession of the petitioner, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable, and as such the bail application may be favorably considered. Land and Council for the state has pointed out from the rejection order that the quantity of ganja is 8 kg. Considering the submission
8
nature
kg
of
130 gram.
130 gram without bag ହେଲା 8 kg. ତା ଜରି ସହିତ ହେଲା 130.
ଜରିଟା ହଉଛି 130. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଲେଖା. Okay. One, considering the submission, nature of accusation, quantity seized of ganja seized, absence of bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Allowed. Next.
Item number 62.
The petitioner is remanded in this case, my lord, for alleged offense under 392 for IPC, my lord.
କେବେ ରିମାଣ୍ଡ ହେଲେ?
5/9/24.
5/9/24. ଆଉ କେତୋଟି କେସ୍ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ନାଁରେ?
ଆଉ 5ଟା ଅଛି, ରିମାଣ୍ଡରେ 5ଟା ଅଛି. ଗୋଟାକରେ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ କଲେ 5ଟା ରିମାଣ୍ଡ କଲେ. ତା ଛଡା ଆଗରୁ 2ଟା ଥିଲା.
ଗୋଟେ comprehensive affidavit ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. It appears from the that the petitioner has got number of criminal antecedents. You have received the case diary?
My lord.
କେତେଟା ଦାମ ନାହିଁ? 7ଟା ନା କେତେଟା? Criminal antecedent.
ଦେଓଗଡ଼, ଅନୁଗୁଳ, ବରଗଡ଼, ସୁନ୍ଦରଗଡ଼
ସବୁଆଡେ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ. Let the Land and Council for the petitioner file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases. After ensuing
Item number 64.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, petition the earlier released on bail, my lord. Due to no steps was taken, NBW issue on the strength of NBW, petitioner was arrested and in custody, my lord.
Bail ଥିଲେ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା 12/4/2018 ବେଲ୍ ଥିଲେ.
ଏବେ କେବେ ପୁଣି ଗଲେ ଭିତରକୁ?
ଭିତରକୁ ଗଲୁ 19/11/2024.
Heard the Land and Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the state. Land and Council for the petitioner submit that the petitioner was on bail and he was regularly taking steps in the matter, but due to non-taking of steps, non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued and the petitioner was taken into custody on 19/11/2024. बाकी सब से bail जम format रे कर देगी ना allow करके. Yes.
Item number 65.
65.
Lordship, allegation is of 64(2)H and 351(3) of BNS. Petitioner is in custody since 1/10/2024.
64.
376(2)N. 376(2)N.
Answer the case diagnosis.
First listing, I'll get it.
Acha. So CD, then 164 medical exemption report and CA, and give a copy, extra copy, which is to be served on the informant. Hala? And after Xmas holidays, it would come. Yes.
Item number 66.
Three zero two case. Case diary अच्छी.
Asini first listing.
First time अच्छा होला. CD CA after Xmas holidays. Next.
Item 90 also arising out of the same
Same.
FIR.
अच्छा
90 के काले थाई सारे CD थे.
ना
90 रे भी नहीं.
अच्छा अच्छा या संगे प्लस 90 रे मुझे सेम ऑर्डर कर दे हला दिस मैटर इज टू कम along with item number 90 हला यस और 90 रे लिखितल होगा 90 इज टू कम 66 ओके नेक्स्ट
Item number 67.
67 Mr. Tripathi
67 after vacation.
case diary अच्छी
अच्छी.
Learned and Counsel for the state submits that he has received the case diary. Learned and Counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. Adjourn. Yes.
Item number 68.
68, my lord. In paragraph 1, I have mentioned the corresponding sections of IPC, my lord. It is under section 126. On IPC, my lord,
436, 307 are the main
307, but 307 in the rejection order, it is mentioned that the injuries are simple. In page 12 and 13, and
Okay.
relevant portion is at page 13.
13 lekha is
First
injury.
para, first line.
Wait. Injury report 30. Injury report reveals that the victim has sustained multiple injuries, though all of them are simple. Acha.
And so far as 436 is concerned, it is alleged that one motorcycle was damaged by fire, my lord. And therefore 436 is not maintainable, and 435
Damage the motorcycle of the informant
is
by fire with aid of petrol. Acha.
no house, my lord. So 126G is not made out. 320 ରହିଲାଣି 23/9/2024 3 ମାସ ଉପରେ।
कौन आपनकर इंस्ट्रक्शन अच्छी आधे रे नहीं
ना first listing तो जरूर.
or the learned and counsel for the petitioner learned counsel for the state. The learned and counsel for the petitioner submits that the main offenses are under section say 307 109 109 BNS
and 326G
which corresponds to section which is corresponds to section 307 IPC. I would
allow 326G of BNS.
326G of the BNS which corresponds to 436. 436 of the Indian Penal Code. However, the rejection order would indicate that the injury report of the victim, from the injury report of the victim, though the injuries, there are multiple injuries, but all of them were simple in nature. Learned counsel further submits that the one prosecution case is that there was fire with the aid of petrol to a motorcycle of the informant, and therefore it would be a case under section 435 IPC and not 436 of the IPC. 435 ro yeta kete
435 ro 326F
326 bracket re F of the BNS hala, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. And counsel for the state oppose the prayer for bail, considering the submission nature of the accusation against the petitioner, period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody. I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition he shall appear before inspector in charge of Patamundi Police Station, Patamundi Rural Police Station, once in a week on every Sunday in between 10 to 4 shall not indulge in any criminal activity, appear before the London trial court on each date to which the case is posted. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed. Yes.
Item number 70.
Mr. Mishra.
Hello, so kindly see the FIR. How
the
an FIR at
offense
the instance of ASI with the surmises and conjectures
310.
registered.
Just a minute. 310.
Page 11.
310 dollar डकैती for preparation of commit डकैती. अच्छा ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ?
Organized
311 assemble for the purpose of डकैती. तापरे 111 111 111 ହେଲା organized crime. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା 111 4. Any person is a number of acha. Then 336 336 336 ହେଲା forgery. What is the allegation, Mr. Mishra?
You'll also kindly see the ASI, how frivolously he has lost the FIR from paragraph page 11, ma'am.
Yes.
I, Ranjit Pradhan, such and such as ASI of police, Sadar Police Station, returned and reported in writing to the effect that on 11/1/12/2024, the FIR is of the 2/12 next day. 10 p.m. telephone information was received by Inspector R.K. Bishwal, ISC Sadar PS, regarding assembly of a group of unknown persons. He received information from the ISC. Unknown persons who are recognized being equipped with deadly weapon, firearm, Dapkani village area were designing to commit heinous crime like docketing somewhere in the locality. Their movement was highly suspicious and the informant became reluctant to disclose his identity. As the information was highly alarming and required instant probe, Inspector Bishwal, ISC Sadar PS.
Leave those names. Jo, tapare kon hala verify the genuine.
Left for the spot in police jeep.
No, on the way we procured one independent witness.
Yes, independent all.
तापरे कोन रा स्पॉट रे से जाई पहुंची like around 10:40 p.m. ता तळगु टिके अछि. We being accompanied by the witnesses arrived near the spot. That is near kono Udai Pali Chowk. By keeping the police jeep and they are at a considerable distance from the spot. On foot, taking all sort of precautionary measure while we are approaching to this one.
Closer to the spot, heard some whispering sound and noticed some discussion was going on. Amongst them, on a white color such and such found to be parked inside by their side. One seeing them shouted, raising alarm and outcry, directing others to attack the police party. They very cunningly, after a hot scuffle and endeavor,
they were
the
found
police
at the
party
spot.
could be successfully round up.
These things were found, a cigarette, etc., were found
on the spot. It's a completely baseless manner. And from the petitioner, they found only one iPhone, which is reflected in the order sheet of the up-to-date CD. Nokia, iPhone Nokia.
What लिखा है इसको?
Page 7, man.
Page 7. Page 7 no two paragraph.
Next second paragraph. At the time of hearing of the bail application, the counsel for the petitioner admittedly additionally submitted to the police recovered iPhone Nokia keypad from him without any other materials.
Okay, you are in custody since when?
From the one. At that time, my wife was pregnant.
You are found at the spot. That is the
yes, 112.
112. Yes, Mr.
And his wife was pregnant at the time. Now he said delivered a baby.
Or the London Council for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the London Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 2/12/2024, and the prosecution case is that one iPhone Nokia keypad was found from the possession of the petitioner when he was sitting along with others who were having other weapons. And after hearing the London Council for the state and taking into account the nature of accusation, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not indulge in any criminal activities, appear before so and so trial court on his date, and the case would be posted for trial. Yes, allowed.
Item number 71.
21 52A of Odisha Excise Act. Here, quantity of ID liquor, that is 200 liters, my lord. And I am in custody since 24/11/2024.
24/11. All right, 24/11/2024, magistrate tribal offense allowed. Next.
Item number 72.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Magistrate tribal offense, my lord. In this case, petitioner was arrested on
offense
3/10/2024, my lord.
Offense on.
Subsequently, offense 331/4/305. Unknown persons committed theft of cash of rupees
331 Forella house lurking house
trespass.
trespass. Bakiela 305. 305 ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର theft in a dwelling house.
Yes,
କଣ
yes.
ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର case?
Unknown persons committed theft of cash and rupees 12,000 gold ornaments, Aadhaar card, passbook, and checkbook, my lord. In this case, my lord, petitioner was arrested on 3/10/2004, my lord, and remanded in this case on 18/11/2024, my lord. And other cases, my lord, released on bail by this honorable court.
ଓହୋ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ 21ଟା କେସ୍ ଅଛି।
This honorable court, my lord, me kindly glance.
ହଉ ହେଲା file କରନ୍ତୁ comprehensive affidavit. It appears from the rejection order that the petitioner has got 21 numbers of criminal antecedents. Let the London Council for the petitioner file the comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases put of this matter after ensuing Xmas holiday.
both the petitioners.
Both अच्छा दी जन अच्छा petitioner
ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ 21 ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଅଳ୍ପ
ଯାହାହେଲେ file କରନ୍ତୁ comprehensive affidavit after. Yes, next.
Item number 73.
May please, Your Lordship. I am appearing for petitioner in this matter. My lord, the petitioner was arrested on 23/10/2024 through a transit warrant, and he was produced before the judicial magistrate on 28/10/2024. On the very same day, he was remanded to judicial custody. He has spent nearly 55 days in judicial custody, my lord. He was arrested under the alleged offense under section 3184, 3192, 336 subclause 2, 336(3) and 338.
Have you received the case diary?
No, my lord. No, I'll get
So
the
let
case.
him bring the case diary. It is coming for the first time, and the
Yes, Your Honor.
council is not having the case diary. So the London Council for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary as well as obtain instruction about the criminal antecedent, if any, against.
No previous bad cases.
Let him obtain
Yes,
instruction.
yes,
That is
yes,
your
yes, Your Honor says.
All
Yes, Your
right.
Honor says.
Yes, yes. Next.
Grateful.
Item number 74.
Mate, your lordship. 6 of POXO is there, your lordship. 6 of POXO is there, your
So
lordship.
get the CD, man.
And you have to submit, give an extra copy, notice has to go.
Yes, your lordship.
So can you give it during course of the day, extra copy of the bail application?
By tomorrow?
By
Yes,
tomorrow.
yes, your
Extra copy by tomorrow, notice to go, and CD you have not received.
No, man.
So CD, then 164 medical exemption report and criminal antecedent. All right. And it is to come after Xmas holidays. Okay.
Obliged.
Yeah.
Item number 75.
Your Lordship. Sir, allegation 303.
30.
Some unknown affair. The accused has been arrested on 7/11 4/11/2024.
Wait, Learned Council, 303.
Old Act 379 Act.
303, 35. Okay. It's a theft. So what is the, what you have done according to the prosecution? ଆପଣ ନାଁରେ କେସ୍ ଫେସ୍ ଅଛି ଗୁଡାଏ ଯାହା ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିଡେଣ୍ଟ what is the subject matter of theft in this case?
ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଗାଡିଟେ ଅନନୋନ୍ ଏଫଆଇଆର ହେଇଥିଲା ୱାନ୍ ଭେହିକିଲ୍ ଟ୍ରକ୍
Train 10 wheeler truck
ଆଉ ରିକଭରି ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଇଛି
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି?
ସାର୍ 4/11/2024.
4/11
2024
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନାଁ କଣ?
ନାରାୟଣ ପ୍ରସାଦ ମହାନ୍ତି from
appear କରୁଛନ୍ତି କେଉଁଝର heard the learned Mr. Narayan Prasad Mahanti, Learned Counsel, appearing through virtual High Court, Keonjhar, considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since kebetu
4/11/2024.
4/11/2024, and the offences are triable by magistrate, and the stolen truck has already been recovered. And after hearing the Learned Counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Yes.
Item number 76.
My lord, this is a case under section 3110 or 3110 clause 2 and 25 and 27 Arms Act.
310
clause 2.
310 2 is Dakaiti.
Dakaiti 395.
Okay.
My lord, the affair is unknown, and it is a very peculiar case. In affair, it reveals that the victim was called by an unknown telephone to the Udit Nagar town, and after that he spontaneously ridden one motorcycle and went away to the Gurjan area, and where they had taken 23,000 from the mobile.
Case diary? The case diary is not there, Learned Counsel, so he has to get it. The case diary, criminal antecedent after ensuing Xmas holidays. Yes. What is the name of the Learned Counsel? It is Lalitindu Pal. He is appearing from virtual High Court, Raurkela. Okay. Yes. Next.
Item number 77.
Lordship, my lord, offence under 296, 351, 3, offence BNS 23, section 60E and 67A IT Act, my lord. My lord, custody since 4/11/24, no criminal action, my lord.
Mr. Counsel, please wait. What are the offences? 296. 296 obscene language. Acha. Then 351 3. 351 351 कौन?
Tribal class master, my lord.
On 351 tribal master.
If threat by to cause hot death and give us hot etc.
Yes, 351 3. Criminal intimidation by threatening. Yes, what you have done?
My lord, viral video and about the obscene language in front husband and petitioner are friend. Election ପାଇଁ ଟଙ୍କା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରାଯାଇଥିଲା ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପରେ ଭାଇରାଲ ଭିଡିଓ କରିଛି ବୋଲି କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ଦେଇଛି ଇନଫର୍ମାର ଇନଫର୍ମାର ସ୍ୱାମୀ ଆଉ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପିସନ ଦି ଜଣ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଥିଲେ
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲେଣି?
4/11/24 ମିନିଟ
4/8/24 ରୁ
4/11/24 ମିନିଟ କଷ୍ଟଡି ସିନ୍ 4/11/24.
Heard the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Learned Counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 4/11/2024, and taking into account the nature of accusation against the petitioner, and after hearing the Learned Counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Hard Mr. Asutosh Tripathi, what is it?
Hon'Ble.
The virtual High Court Hon'Ble. Yes, allowed.
May I pray, my lords, that in the conditions.
He shall not try to come in contact with the victim and shall appear before the Learned Trial Court on each date to which the case was posted and shall not try to tamper with the evidence. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation.
One
of
additional that he shall not use any social media platform.
he shall not use the social media platform against the victim. Hello? Yes. Next,
Item number 79.
79. Passo Neda
109, my lords, is there. I'll get the CD, the antecedent, and the injury report.
Okay. So, sword and assaulted to the leg of this one, so then kitchen knife stabbed this
Madam.
one, so all right, get it. Admitted in district headquarters hospital, then shifted to high tech hospital. All right, you get the also the health condition of
Madam.
the. So CD, criminal antecedent, then injury report, hello, and health condition of the injured. Yes, next.
Item number 80.
Item number 80, may I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the petitioner is in custody since 11/7/24, and the offences are, Your Lordship, 332B corresponding to 450 of IPC, 333 452 of IPC, and 1091 corresponding to 307 of IPC, Your Lordship.
Who is the injured here?
Your Lordship, the allegations are the petitioner has injured is the informant's mother, Your Lordship.
On putre marle.
By knife, there are stab injuries on the chest and belly, Your Lordship.
So,
And
what is the health condition is?
Your Lordship, subsequently, the petitioner actually was discharged on 37/24, and subsequently, after a period of 2 months, the informant's mother died, Your Lordship. And in
CD, injury report, criminal antecedent. Yes.
Item number 81.
May it please, Your Lordship.
81 302, case diary is not there. And another connected matter is also there.
98.
Acha, plus acha C या संगरे 98 ASIO. This matter along with so and so. Learn and counsel for the state submit that he is yet to receive the yet to nahi case diary and criminal antecedent. है 98 रे भी लकी plus 81 कर दो जीरो. Yes, next.
Much obliged.
Item number 82.
82, petitioner the postmaster misappropriated 40 lakhs total. 409, life imprisonment is there. Case diary not there.
Non-appears learn counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary and after Xmas holidays. Yes.
Item number 83.
21B.
5.65 gram of brown sugar.
Rejection order टा दिखे देखिए. केबेट रोइलानी
12/11/24.
paragraph.
Hard the learn and counsel.
ये टा verify है ही नहीं. Lower court to verify the criminal antecedent.
Hard the learn and counsel for the petitioner learn counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the learn and counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 12/11/2024 and the quantity of brown sugar stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is 11.65 grams,
No.
which is lesser than commercial quantity.
5.65 grams.
एक गार लिखाई जुटी
ସେଇଟା ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକରୁ ଜଣ
8 ରୁ 5.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହେଲା 5.65 gram. So far as the individual position of the petitioner is concerned, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the learned counsel for the state who submits that he is yet to receive the instruction about the criminal antecedent, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not indulge in any criminal activity.
ଗୋଟେ antecedent ଅଛି
Similar.
21B.
ତାହେଲେ ତ section 37 ପାର ହେଇଗଲା.
ସେ 12 ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କହିଦେବେ ଆଉ ଏମିତି କରିବେନି ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 84. Lordship 84. 21B, Lordship. 20 gram of brown sugar, Lordship.
20.85 gram of brown sugar. Criminal
Nothing
license.
seized from me, my lord. I will the annex of 2, my lord.
କଷ୍ଟଡି କେବେଠୁ
Custody 30/11/2024, my lord.
alright are the Learning Council for the petitioner, Learning Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Learning Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 30/11/2024
Lordship.
and the quantity of brown sugar stated to have been seized in the case is 20.85 grams, which is lesser than commercial quantity. Bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the Learning Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner.
Subject to verification of criminal.
One antecedent is there, but similar, not in similar nature.
Learning Council for the state add कर देवे Learning Council for the petitioner state submit that there is one criminal antecedent against the petitioner. Learning Council for the petitioner submits that it is not of similar nature. hala bail allowed. Next.
Grateful.
Item number 85.
152 kg of ganja.
On behalf of Choice and kindly taken after vacation.
Learning
Case diary not
Council
there.
for the state submit that he has not received the case diary, so also the criminal antecedent. Learning Council for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment to after Xmas holidays. Put up this matter after Xmas holidays. Yes.
Item number 86.
Earlier, POSCO was not there. Now POSCO has been added.
Notice required. 3
Yeah.
Petitioner lady.
Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 9/12/2024 and the quantity of ganja seized is 2 kg, which is lesser than commercial quantity and bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after hearing the learned counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the
Only CA
petitioner
not
on
verified.
bail. Yes, next.
7.7 kg 560 gram ganja.
Koda.
Next.
Item 93.
93 টা 93 খালি কোয়ান্টিটিটা চেঞ্জ হবে ফ্রম আগোটা আছে 2 কেজি এটা হবো 7.57 কেজি 516 গ্রাম হ্যাঁ বাকি সব সমান অ্যালাউ নেক্সট
Item 94.
May I please, Lord?
510 লিটার আইডিয়ালি
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଲାଣି
20/11/2024.
Considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 2011-2024, offense is triable by magistrate, and after hearing the land and counsel for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Allowed.
Item number 95.
302 CDCA not there.
Land and counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary as well as the criminal antecedent list this matter in the second week of January 2025.
Who bless me, Lord?
Item number 96.
20B to see your lordships in custody since 25/11/24 and quantity is 34 kgs.
34 kgs 750
750 grams.
Commercial quantity, you have got the case
No,
diary? So CD, CA after Xmas holidays. Yes.
Bless your lordships.
Item number 97.
May I please, your lordship? The allegation against the 309 of 6 of IPC regarding the committing of robbery. So far as concerned, in the meantime, the accused in custody.
My lord,
charge
sheet submitted.
charge sheet has been submitted.
Robbery with the causing hot. Like
No hot is there. Now, from the specific charge sheet, there is no hot is there.
096.
6. No, the charge sheet has submitted. No injury report has been submitted against.
Wrong. If any person in committing or attempting to commit robbery voluntarily causes hot, acha, এটা হচ্ছে 3096 হ্যাঁ
The petitioner basis of implication is co-accused confession. Petitioner has no criminal incident.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody
Since 11/9/2024
11/9/2024 and the implication of the petitioner is based on confessional statement of co-accused before police.
Lipun Sahoo.
Co-accused Lipun Sahoo, and the petitioner has got no criminal antecedent. And after hearing the learned counsel for the state and the fact that charge sheet has already been submitted, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Heard Mr. Deepak Kumar Sahu, learned counsel from the virtual High Court.
Hon'Ble, virtual High Court.
Hon'Ble. All right, allowed. Yes,
Item number 99.
99.
20B 2P of NDPS Act, my lord. 4 kg 200 gram, my lord.
Custody କେବେଠୁ?
Custody, my lord.
4 बार रू petition number 2 टा महाराष्ट्र.
अच्छा जी verify कर दो सियाड़ो. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioners are in judicial custody since 4/12/2024 and the quantity of ganja seized is 4 kg 200 gram, which is lesser than commercial quantity and bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act, not applicable. And after hearing the learned counsel for the state who submits that petitioner number 2, Utkresh Jayaprakash alias Swanso Pandey, is a man from Mumbai. I am inclined to release the petitioners on bail subject to condition that so far as petitioner number 2 is concerned, the learned trial court, before accepting the bail bond shall verify about the correctness of the address furnished by the petitioner number 2 in the cause title. Yes, allowed.
Item number 100.
May I please request? My lord, 21B of NDPS Act, my lord, 115 grams of brown sugar is seized from petitioner.
115 bound ground, it also. Anantu heroin brown sugar achi.
CDCA.
CDCA after Xmas holidays. Passover quota.
Passover item number 53.
53, Mr. Jafullah. Eta kon offense kono? 302 case diary achi. The none appears for the petitioner on repeated call. Learned counsel for the state submits that he is having the case diary. List this matter after Xmas holidays. Passover.